Tired of hefty realtor fees eating into your dream home budget? Let's unlock the secrets to buying property solo. First, master the property hunt. Scour online listings, explore local newspapers, and even drive around neighborhoods you love, taking note of for sale by owner signs. Why your due diligence is key. Next, become a market who's analyzed recent sales data in your target area to understand fair market value. Why knowledge is your strongest negotiation tool. Now, the art of the deal. Sharpen your negotiation skills. Why be prepared to walk away, counter offers strategically, and always focus on protecting your best interests. Crucially, understand the legal landscape. Engage a real estate attorney to review contracts, handle the closing process, and ensure a smooth, legally sound transaction. Don't skip essential steps like a professional home inspection. Uncover potential issues upfront to avoid costly surprises down the road. Finally, navigate the closing process with your attorney's guidance, ensuring all documents are accurately completed and funds are transferred securely. Congratulations, you're a homeowner.